In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a pricing section in Hostinger Website Builder, even though Hostinger does not include a native pricing table template by default. Instead, we'll use a simple third-party widget from commonninja, customize it, copy the embed code, and place it directly onto your Hostinger website canvas. This is a great solution if you want to display service tiers, product plans, monthly packages, or feature comparisons in a clean professional layout. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more website builder guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to commonninja. Log into your account, and once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Create Widget button. Click that, then type pricing into the search bar and choose pricing tables from the results. After that, click the Create a Pricing Table button to begin. Next, you'll see different pricing table templates. Choose the layout that best fits your website style. Then click Continue with this template. Now you can customize the table to match your brand. Click on any cell inside the pricing plans, and then select Edit Cell to open the settings panel. Here you can change the plan names, descriptions, prices, currency, billing cycle such as per month, and the call to action button links. You can also adjust the design settings like typography, background colors, borders and spacing so the pricing section matches the rest of your site. If you need more plans, add new cells. If you have extra ones, remove them using the trash icon. Take your time here, because a well-designed pricing section can make a big difference in how professional your website looks. Once you're happy with everything, click Save Changes in the top right corner. Then, on the screen that says your widget is ready, click Copy Code to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now let's move over to Hostinger Website Builder. Log into your Hostinger account at hpanel.hostinger.com. Then go to Websites in the left menu and click Edit Website next to the domain you want to update. Inside the editor, scroll down to the part of the page where you want your pricing section to appear. Click Add Section and choose Blank Section. This gives you a clean space to place your pricing table exactly where you want it. After that, click the Add Element Plus icon on the left toolbar. Scroll through the elements until you find Embed Code, then drag it into your blank section and drop it onto the canvas. Once the embed element is in place, click on the box and choose Enter Code. Delete any default placeholder content, then paste the commonninja embed code you copied a moment ago. Click Embed Code to apply it. After that, resize the widget container using the corner handles so the pricing table displays neatly and fits the section properly. Make sure it looks good on desktop and mobile before you publish. When everything is set, click the purple Update Website or Publish button in the top right corner to make your pricing section live. And that's it. You've now added a professional pricing section to your Hostinger Website Builder site without needing a native pricing table feature. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Hostinger tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.